Welcome to week 4 of the CI1000 course. My name is Instructor Calvino. I'm going to give you a quick overview on how to do your week 4 assignment. I already have the week 4 assignment information open on the left side, and I have Microsoft Word open on the right side. For this week, we're going to create a new blank document. We're not using a template. We're just opening up a blank document. We're going to go through the steps of creating a title page and a reference page. Okay, on the scenario, our instructor on this scenario is Instructor Rodriguez. We're going to continue to go down. And our first step is to open Microsoft Word. I have it open. We're going to go File, New Blank Document. So I'm going to click on Blank Document. Let me move these a little closer together. And like we've been doing for every week, we're going to save it with your last name, first name, and the class information. And make sure to save it inside of the actual week 4 folder for this class. That way you can find it easier. Again, underscore first name, underscore CI1000 for the course, underscore W4, and save. Okay. This is going to become our new title page. Title pages only have X amount of information in the front, and they do not have a title, a header or footer, nothing like that. So there's going to be some stuff we're going to create now, and we're going to be making some changes so you can see it. For the sake of speed, I'm just going to copy and paste the page title. I'm going to add my name. I'm going to add the school. I'm going to add the course number. I'm going to add the instructor's name. And the due date. As you notice, these are the items that you would need for an APA formatted document. The title, your name, the school, the course, the instructor, and the date due. Now we go to step number 3. We're going to start formatting this title page. So we're going to select the title and go to Home and Bold. So I selected it, and I'm in my Home tab already. So all I have to do is click Bold. Now I need to click Home Center Line to center the title page content. We're going to do everything. Select everything. And inside of your paragraph section, click on Center. This will align it straight in the center. I should have left it highlighted. The next instruction is to hit Home, Paragraph. We go to Line and Paragraph Spacing, and we change it to 2.0. So again, Paragraph, because I'm already in the Home tab. Line Spacing, which is that one. And we change it to 2.0. Okay. In this same document, we need to open up the header section. We can either go to Insert Header and click on Blank, or we can do the same thing by just double clicking inside of it. And it's automatically going to be a blank. But we're going to go and insert a page number. So now we need to hit Insert Page Number. So for my Insert tab, we're going to click Page Number. They want us to be on top of the page, and they want us to be right justified in that. All right, we got that in. Now we go ahead and type in our last name, hit the space, so there could be a little space between you and the page number. Before you leave this part, you need to go to header and click on different page. So under options, I'm still in header. I'm going to go to option and different page. What that is going to do, and go ahead and close it. What that is going to do is your title page, your front page of your document, it's only going to have the APA formatting. It's only these items, nothing else on them. Page numbers are going to be followed on all the other data that you put in and on your reference page, and not on your initial document, your initial title page. Okay, I already went ahead and I closed it. Task number 3, we're going to go to the reference tab. So before we can get there, we need to go to another page. So hit insert. They want us to put our cursor at the end of the title page. This is the end after the date. Go to insert, page, and page break. That'll throw you into the next page. As you see, my name does show up here, and it's already feeding the next page number. Now I'm going to, at the top of the page, type reference. It is centered. Now I need to hit bold. So I can do it here, or I can go to Home tab and hit bold. Now I need to create a source using my reference tab. I'm going to hit enter. Move it out of the way. So I need to go to References, Style, select APA. Now we need to go to the Reference tab to make sure we're selected on Style and APA, which I am now on this reference page. And in the style, it is APA. Next part, Reference, Manage Sources. So we're going to go ahead and input a source that we're going to use in our reference page. So we're going to hit the new button. You can pick any web, book, or journal article that you would like to invent. I'm going to select website. I'm going to enter the information that I have available. So the author, myself. Name of the website is going to be the actual name of a created page or something like that. So I'm going to use Mr. C's Weekly Video. Website's address, www.com. .edu. And this is not factual information. I'm just using this as an example. You fill in year 2026, month 07, date 04. Actually, my URL does not come up here. It goes down here. And this is UMA. I could just use that. And I'm going to tell it OK. And it's already creating it here. And what happens here is that it's just creating the information. It's not like it's being posted on a Word document. It's not going anywhere right now. But it's already pre-building it the way that it needs to happen. If I don't like my numbers, I can just type in July. Yes. So now it has the right date, easier to read. As you see here. Alrighty, you notice there's nothing here yet because we need to give it, need to tell it to generate it. In here, I'm going to insert, no, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to tell it what I want. Because I've already entered the word reference, when I click up here, if I wouldn't have clicked the word reference, it would have done it completely automatic for me. But we're just going to tell it. We're going to go all the way to the bottom here and hit insert bibliography. So that creates your reference page. Now, we need to do some APA formatting that we haven't done yet. We're going to select the full document. The shortcut to select everything at one time is to hold down the Control and the letter A. It selects everything, including the front, the top. We need to go back to the Home tab. We need to change our font to Times Roman. We need to make sure it's set at 12. And we need to make sure that our line spacing is still at 2 for everything. We had done it on the top, but we haven't done it on the bottom. So it's happening now on the bottom. We also need to insert our margins. So we're going to go to Insert. I'm sorry, not an Insert, Layout. You go to Margins, and we're going to request it to be 1 inch. Normally it's whatever the last setting says, it tries to remember. So you got to make sure to change it to normal, which is 1 inch on all sides. At this point, we're just going to do a file save. And this document is done. You notice that I don't have a file save, I got a file copy. That is because I have the auto save on. If I have it off, it gives me that option. And all I have to do is submit the assignment, like you would normally do. Okay, thank you.